My dear friends, myself Asay Arya, motivational speaker. My dear friends, today I would like to say about importance of English. My dear friends, you know that very well. English is very important for us, for every person, because you know that very well. English is being spoken in all over the world, and my dear friends, you know that very well. That's why I would like to say that English is very important. My dear friends, if you want to fill up any type of form, then my dear friends, that will be only in English. And if you will not understand about this language, then how will you fill up? Suppose you are a student of graduation and you passed graduation, and my dear friends, if you want to fill up the form of UPSC, BPSC, like this form you want to fill up, and if you don't know about this language, about English language, then my dear friends, you know that very well, you will feel a lots of problem in that field. That's why my dear friends, I'm telling about it, that English is very important. And my dear friends, suppose that if you want to go in foreign country in future and you don't know about this language, then I know that very well, that you will feel a lots of problem, because if you will want to talk with any foreigner, then my dear friends, nobody knows about another languages. Everybody knows about English language in all over the world. Anywhere if you want to go, then you can talk in English. And my dear friends, suppose that if you know only about Hindi, only about Bhojpuri, then you know that very well, this language will be only in India. That's why my dear friends, I would like to say that English is very important. And my dear friends, suppose that if you are very good businessman, and suppose that if you will go in very hi-fi meeting, and my dear friends, if you don't know about this language, then my dear friends, according to me, in that meeting you will feel a lots of problem and you will not understand anything. Yeah, suppose that if you are a student of UPSC and you are preparing the exam of UPSC, and my dear friends, suppose that if your result will be of pre, and if your exam will be of mains, then my dear friends, in mains you will have to prepare the exam of my dear friends English. And if you don't know about this language, then a lots of problem will create in exam. And suppose that if your interview will be, then that period also, if the person who is taking your interview and he will ask any type of question in English, and if he will not reply, then he will think that really he is not able to civil servant. That's why my dear friends, you know that very well, English is very important for in our life. And my dear friends, in this age, if you will not understand that why English is important for us, then you in future you will feel a lots of problem. And my dear friends, in future you will feel a lots of problem in your life. That's why my dear friends, I'm telling about it, that English is very important. Thank you, my dear friends. And my dear friends, you know that very well, I'm requested to all that please subscribe my channel and like my video. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.